In today's video, we're diving into a handy privacy feature: how to hide your WhatsApp message conversations on your iPhone. So if you need to hide your WhatsApp conversations from someone, then follow my steps because this is pretty easy to do. All we have to do is to open the WhatsApp application on our iPhone and then go over to the chat section. You can see a list of all the conversation which you have on WhatsApp, but what if I want to hide this conversation, for example? All I have to do is to long press on that conversation until these options appear. And we won't be using the archive option because that will hide our messages, but anyone can access the archive section by just tapping on it. It's not as secure. So instead of that, you want to tap on this Lock Chat option that will automatically scan my face with Face ID, and it will hide the chat as well as lock it. So this is a more secure method, and it won't let anyone access your chat or even find it because it's now hidden and locked. But what if you want to unhide your chat, or you need to access the conversation? Well, all we have to do is to swipe from the top to the bottom, and a little Locked Chats section will appear right above this archive option. If someone else tries to access the locked chats, they won't be able to because the app will scan our face in order to confirm our identity. When I tap on Locked Chats, the phone scans my face. It sees that it's me, and it will open another section where I can see all of my hidden conversations. You can simply long press on this and then tap on Unlock Chat. That is gonna unhide my conversation, and it will put it back over to the main chat list. But that's essentially how we can hide our WhatsApp conversations on iPhone, everyone. If you need more similar iOS and WhatsApp tutorial videos like this one, then make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I will see you soon.